Thank you for choosing our Comfrey and Comfrey Plus ointment. To get the best result, here are some tips on using your ointment. Apply a small amount of ointment to the affected areas as frequently as possible each day. From our experience, people benefit from frequent use in order to speed up the healing process. Then, reduce the frequency when conditions improve. At night time, apply a sufficient amount of ointment to the affected areas and cover with plaster, bandage or cloth. Leave it on until the next morning. Take off the cover and wipe off or massage in the remaining ointment. Be patient. Give it time to heal from the inside out and experience the real healing powers of nature's goodness. Talk to the affected areas. Say I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, and thank you to the affected areas for 30 seconds or more each day. You will be amazed by the results.